Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Enogie, you see, breakup na national cake. It go touch everybody. You understand? Breakup na national cake. It go touch everybody. Believe me when I say breakup go touch everybody. Because it touch you, know me say no touch me. Oh. You understand me? So stop trying to prove us that what happened yesterday was a prank. You don't have to prove it to us. We already know the truth, and we know that your so-called dumb baby mama was not pranking. Now where her sense reach? Now where her sense reach, now he do so. He no get sense. You understand? I wish he get sense, If I no fit cry come social media, as he take cry come, maybe for fair weight, or you go bear am. But because she no get sense and she dey depressed, she can't cry come outside. You don't have to tell us in a prank or no big plan. No, I'm not you. You quick on, you don't come late, my girl. You don't come late. No be prank, you understand? No, if you don't say you want drag me. You dey get me so, I stand with the truth. The truth has been setting me free. You and your wife don't attack me spiritually. Una no fit. No, don't attack me for Facebook everywhere. But still here, I still dey here. You understand me so? Now I let una know say, me be Perry Golden. You understand? I tell you, say I give you from now till 4 months time when I go cry on social media. It's not even 2 months. It's not even 2 months. You're already crying on social media. You don't dare with me. You understand? You understand? When I kneel down in front of a sea and I pray. Okay? The waters, the beating of the water God, they will listen to me. Because I did nothing wrong to you and your so-called baby mama. So you think you're going to keep that relationship? It's not even possible. You can keep it. You understand? You can't keep that relationship. The very first day you start dragging me is the day you messed up with your life, with your whole family. You understand? It's me, your girl T, baby. It's me, your girl Perry Golden that is talking. You got Enogie. You dead with the wrong person. You understand? This is, you wanted like, Perry is depressed. I want Perry to cry. I want this. I'm not going to cry. You know why I'm not going to cry? Because I know my level. You understand? I'm not going to cry. I won't even cry. I won't even get depressed over you. Because when I check you, Enogie, I check you, I balance you. I'm saying, you don't even get anything where they protect you. You don't get nothing. You don't get me. So they tell you, I went into the spiritual realm. I went spiritual for your matter, not be gist. I went so deep for your matter. I say you don't get anything. Even person where you put up on you don't get anything. Now me Perry Golden, they let you, they know. You will suffer in your game. You will suffer. For everything you said. Until the day you will come out on live video and open your mouth and apologize to me, Enogie. This is the beginning of your suffering. I knelt down at my baby's grave. I said, Yvonne, you should fucking fight for your mommy. You know? These people don't beat your mommy. They cannot eat their cake and have it. You know, apart from that, I went to 7 seas, I know, in this France, 7 river. And I knelt down in the middle of the night. I said, oh, God of the river goddess, mother of the river goddess, if there is any mother of the river goddess, I grew up knowing that I be Ogbanje. I grew up like that. That's why I say grew up. I say if there is any river goddess, you are the mother that they say you are my protector. They say you are my I don't believe in those kind of things, you understand? But if there is one, I want you to put war between those people. I want them to feel the pain. I want them to feel pain. You understand? And the pain you're feeling now. You understand? And the pain you are feeling now, you will feel times 3 times 10. I told you. That you will feel the pain I'm feeling, Enogie. This is just the beginning of your pain. You will come out on live video. I will give you this year, before the ending of this year, you will come and apologize to me, Perry Golden. You must. I'm telling you this. I will not beg you to apologize. I will not force you to apologize. But I will let you know that you will apologize to me when you start seeing calamities upon calamities. Not everybody that they joke with. You understand? Person may be saying mind they clear. Person may mind they clear. Now God they fight for him. I leave you. I leave you for my chi. I say my chi. Answer this guy for me. Answer this guy for me. And okay, you will pay. You will pay. You will suffer. You will suffer. Come out on live and lie on my head. Now me the donation boys. Now me keep my picking. Now me they fuck up and down. Come out on live and lie as much as you can. But Enogie, you will pay. Or let's not be me be for ma. You will pay with your life. You will pay with your life. I'm not saying anything, Anthony Jennifer. I'm saying it with my full chest. Enogie will pay with his life. He will pay with his life. I'm giving you for the end of this year to come and apologize to me. Because this one what you're seeing, so the one where you see so it is small. You know, expect I'm saying that your liability of a wife will put you for house, go come cry for social media now. You never expected it now. But she didn't know she don't know when she take you know, she don't know when she take come out, can't talk and for live video. As she do and finish, she can't they regret. Now so this life be. You get. That is what they call depression. Perry is depressed. Perry is depressed. Perry. Now you're smelling. You're facing depression. I think now you will know what depression mean. You think depression now just wasn't that they talk from mouth. You like from the very first day I saw you, Sophia, I have known that you've been depressed for a very long time. Because men looking at you, when I look at you, I see a frustrated woman. I see a woman who needs freedom. A woman who is pained in her heart. A woman who is changed. You don't change you, you're changed. Like they chain you put for one place. That is what I see. When I talk to you, when I see, this is what I see. I see a frustrated human being. You understand? I see, say they chain you put for one place. Let me tell you something, what I see. I will tell you what I see. And I will tell you. Do you know the reason why you can't harm me? You tried to harm me. You tried to harm me. You took my name to many places. I was here. I was here. I saw you. I saw you. You took my name to many places. Yes, you did. But I was looking at you. Let me tell you why you can't harm me. Because I've never harmed anybody. That is why you can't harm me. I left you for my chi. Even if I was fighting you because I felt pain, but I left you for my chi. Today, you are the one crying on live video. What God cannot do does not exist. You are the one crying on live video. What proof? What proof are you trying to... What proof are you trying to prove? What point are you trying to make? What are you trying to tell us? You're trying to tell us that, no, Enogie did nothing wrong to me. Let me tell you, baby girl, if your depression, they go high. Once the doctor confirm you depression depressed at the hospital, your children are gone. Your children are gone. Because the minute they are saying that this woman is depressed, the minute the news starts spreading in Germany, your children are gone. I'm telling you this. It's better you speak out for you. Go for yourself. Go for treatment for the sake of your innocent children. You're not depressed. You have your children on live video crying around you and you are doing live video. I recorded every bit of your live video. Every bit of it is on my phone. You understand? Every bit of your live video, they're my phone. Every bit of it, they're my phone. This is the beginning. You called me Perry Golden, depressed human being, because I lost a child. I am not the first person to lose a child. I am not the first person to lose a child. I won't run mad because I lost a child. No, I am a strong woman and I will defeat you people, even on the spiritual. Wait, let me plug my phone. Spiritual, physically, anyhow, when I take come, I will defeat you people. When I want throw like sickness, give me, so that they will say, yes, I am depressed because I lost my child. No, I won't be depressed because I lost my child. Because I'm a strong woman. I'm a strong woman who will fight you spiritually and physically. I'm not a girl. I used to say it every day. Yes, my age says to you that I'm a girl, right? But I'm not a girl. I am not. I am a woman. I am a woman who knows what pains means and what joy means. You understand? I know wetin pain mean. I know wetin joy mean. I know the sweetness of having a child. And I know the sweetness of losing a child. You understand? I am a woman who will fight you. Both physically and spiritually. I will continue to fight you. This is the pain that you made me feel. Because bringing my daughter on live video was too much already. Look at your children. They are like dogs. Your children don't feed well. They don't wear nice clothes. Your children are living in pain. No peace of mind for your children. I don't know what is holding Germany government to take those children away from you, because those children are suffering. Those children are suffering. Look at your children. You can't even buy them nice clothes. You can't even give them foods to chop. Because wife, Sophia is depressed. Sophia Omoroge is depressed. She's depressed and she cannot take care of her children. She cannot take care of her children. You called me names. You called me so many names. And now you're facing the same depression you wanted me to face. Now you're feeling the pain of depression. Now you can now stand. It's not that you will now stand and talk to me and I will listen to you. Because now you know what it means to be depressed. Yes, depression isn't madness. It's not like you're mad, but you're going to run mad soon. You're gonna run mad soon if you don't come out on my live video to apologize to me. The next thing, you will run mad on live video. That is the next thing that will happen to you. That is the next thing that will happen to you. No food. You're not giving your children food. Germany is giving you money. You are spending the money on that useless man you call a husband. You're spending your money on that useless man you call a husband. You're spending on your money. You're spending all your money. Yes, I know the bitterness of losing a child. I know the sweetness of having a child. So you fuck yourself with your correcting and whatever. Just fuck out of this live video before I will curse you. You understand? Enogie, me, pero I knelt down with my food and I cursed you. I'm not afraid of it. You understand? You will so much cry for mercy. You will cry. You will run mad. You will run mad. Shabi, I'm here. I'm still here. I've not been doing live video, right? I've been on Instagram having fun with my friends, but I've been looking at you. I've been looking at you like this guy. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. And small it go happen, no, but it go happen. Not only for Sophia to come and cry on live video, but the next thing, she will run mad on live video. She will run mad on live video. That is a promise I'm making you all. Call my name, shout my name, send messages to people, tell people shit about me. I won't reply you, but I will stand with the truth. And the truth shall set me free. He come live video, come comment, how many cake they want do? Perry, when you do it, Perry, your pikin even do birthday. Go ask question. Nigga dress. When I did my daughter's birthday, everywhere scatter. I invited more than 100 people to my daughter's birthday. You understand? That I did 3 cake for Yvonne for her first birthday. Though she did not see her second birthday, but that is the will of the Lord. Nobody's will, but the will of the Lord, which I accept. And you understand that I move on. But you were busy, your children, they are alive. You don't even feel buy clothes. My baby wear 5 different gowns for her birthday to snap pictures. Then I was not open and civilized like this. So I didn't take her for some photo shoot and stuff like that. And I was using a Samsung phone. But I did 3 cake for my child for her first birthday. 3 cake, and I bought her 5 different gowns that was above 100 euro. That's what the gowns be. Go to my page and see her. I did the birthday. I carry MC. I carry DJ. I cook fried rice. I cook pepper soup. I cook a lot of things for my daughter's birthday. People in Paris will bear me witness. I spent money. I bought drinks. All kind of drink. Gin, champagne, everything. I celebrated my daughter's birthday. Even then, I was not working. Not now that Perry is fucking rich now, you know. In arrows, you know. Not now that I have money and I can do big party without being shaked. But if I give birth to any child, maybe in the next 2-3 years, I have a child, you're going to see I'm going to celebrate my daughter's birthday, my child's first birthday or second birthday or any kind of birthday. I don't do birthday because I believe birthday are for kids, you understand? So I will leave it till I start making children again. You get it? And I will do the birthday and stuff like that. You understand? Come on live video and drag me. Now I will drag you because I'm going to post your child birthday pictures and I'm going to post my baby birthday pictures so that the world will compare your child. That was 5 years ago. My baby will be 5 years. My baby will be 4 years, February 1st. She's 4 years, February 1st. So next year she'll be 5 years. So let me say that was 4 years ago when I did my daughter's birthday. You're very stupid for that question. Eyabo Jerry, go fuck your mother. So listen to me. That was a few years ago when I did my daughter's birthday. I stood with man or without man. I was there for my child. There was no man. My daughter's birthday, I told the father of my child, if you step into this birthday, I'm going to stab you to death. You understand? I told I told Paris Baba, you all know him. I say, if I see your foot in this parlor, in this birthday ground, I will stab you to death. And he dared not. My baby dedication was held in Paris. I do clothes for my pikin. I write everybody's name, and I put the names. Some of them paid for the clothes, some did not pay for the clothes. I do clothes for my pikin. I write my pikin name. Everybody love Yvonne. I do clothes for my pikin dedication. I do clothes. I carry him go church. I cook food, go church. I do everything. You understand me? So you understand? I do everything for my pikin. For my pikin birthday, I do the birthday for our foyer where we did, our camp where we did that time. I do the birthday for church. I do the birthday for house. I do the birthday for 3 different locations. Now for do my pikin birthday. But you make mad say, I have your video when you said, Perry, bring Yvonne birthday picture, come outside. I have a video when you said that. My pikin birthday picture, my pikin birthday picture, you know fit and take compare those your rats birthday picture where you post. You know fit use them. That was 4 years ago. Imagine I born pikin today now. How the pikin won't be. You understand? So everything you people said is happening to you people today. Everything you said is happening to you people today. No money to take care of yourself. No money to take care of your children. You're living a broke life. You're living like a dead person. You're living your life like a hungry person. You're hungry. Nobody is sending you money from Facebook again. You're hungry. You understand? I can't be with a man who is not ready to do things. I can't be with a man who doesn't know how to make money. Because social media money is a shit. Social media money is a shit. If that business isn't giving my man $50,000 per month, then babe, you're not doing that business. You have to look for another way to make money. I can't be with a man who doesn't know how to make money. I can't be with a man who nags on Facebook. I can't be with a man who survive with 100, 200, 300 euros. I can't be with that kind of man. I can't be with that kind of man. You understand? Enogie, it's a shameful thing to you that you give birth to 3 children and you can't take care of your children. It's a shameful thing. I will fight you with nothing but the truth. I won't lie on your head. I won't lie on your head because I want viewers. I want people to support me. I don't need anybody to support me. But I will fight you with the truth. Your children are nothing but rags. Look at what you gave birth to. Look at the rags you gave birth to. Look at the nonsense children you gave birth to. The ugly bitches you gave birth to. Like, for real. Your children are so ugly. They are so unkept. You can't even compare those rats you gave birth to my child. You can't. No. You can't compare them to my baby. You understand? So you called for it. You called for it, so you will see it, okay? I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave you. Shut up your man and go fuck your mama, Jerry. Go fuck your fucking mother. Get out. You can't be on social media having quarrel. If not people born those kind of children in 1 year, Enogie we have something to say. To all of you supporting Enogie, I wish you guys what you have done to a lot of people. This social media, not be everybody feel bear the pain and the heat. Not everybody feel bear the pain and the heat. Enogie, you will suffer. I see, like, I will use everything that happens to you to mock you and Sophia. And that is on period. I will use everything to mock you and Sophia. Please, you people should stop sending me a Nogie's live video. If he wants to mention my name on his live video, bro, go on. I won't even talk to you as if I'm fighting you. I will talk to you like someone who is correcting your bastard mistake. I will talk to you like someone who is correcting your bastard mistake. I will insult the motherfucking children because they've got something to do with me. Nobody should try to like advise me, okay? Don't even think of that because I'm disappointed that people who gave birth to rats, who can't even take care of their children are talking to me. You can't even take care of a child and you're talking to me. You understand? You know what? I have people I pay their school fees in Nigeria that are not even related to me. Like I see them on Facebook. I pay their fees. I pay for them. You understand? Perry's gonna get depressed. Perry, the depression is worrying you. The depression is worrying you today. You then mention my lecture and you expect me to leave you like that. No, I'm not gonna leave you. You know what? I'm not gonna leave you. The worst night of New Year, I said, I'm going to leave the people. I'm going to watch them do their worst. And since then, you never mentioned me. And you said, you're going to fight me. You're going to do this. Blessing, you shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. My baby is not your baby. It's my child. I gave birth to her and I mention her anyhow I want. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I will bring up my baby's matter anytime I want. Now me crying for my belly 9 months. Now me enter labor room. Now me born am. So shut the fuck up. Don't tell me what to do, bitch. Don't even tell me what to do. Shut the fuck up. Don't tell me what to do because I'm not even in your category. I'm not even your mate. Don't even tell me what to do. Shut the fuck up. Keep your mouth shut or go lick your ass. Okay? Okay. Yes, I'm a goat. I'm a goat. Greatest of all time. I'm a goat. No, I just wanna make you guys happy with my English. I know I don't speak good English. Yeah, I'm a French woman, but I just want to make you guys happy with my English. You know, when I talk, I love to crack jokes. But if you get into my talk, you know I'm not cracking good jokes. Nura and the rest of the children, I think if Nura is even depressed, I think that baby is depressed because the way that baby shouts on live video when their parents are doing videos, you understand? You understand? The way that baby cries on live video, I think that baby is depressed. That baby need a fucking rest. They need to rest. Stop dragging this baby on your fucking life. Stop. Want to talk about me? Very donation people take their documents. I don't get my documents since 2018. Those things don't bother me. You are a grown goat. Yes, greatest of all time. That is what I am. Let me pin your comment. I'm a goat. Greatest of all time. If you don't know the meaning of goat, go find out the meaning. You know what? If you don't know the meaning of goat, go find out the meaning. I'm a grown goat. Greatest of all time. If you don't know the meaning, make I close from work, make I come settle down, report this. I will be video. You know what? Infinity Baba na Baba. At the end of the day, you are a stupid person. Like, your mother is just a bastard for giving birth to a bastard like you. Your mom is a bastard. You've been calling me out on your videos for a very long time, and I never responded to you. You've been dragging me, but let me tell you something. I won't respond to you because you are that stupid broke-ass blogger who want to interfere in my matters. But I will curse your mother for giving birth to you. Because your mother gave birth to such a bastard. I will curse her for giving birth to you. And you know what? That will hurt you so much. You know what? When I curse your mother, you feel the pain. When I curse your mama, you feel the pain. That will hurt you so much. And it's hurting you. I want it to hurt you all. You understand? I'm a silly picking, but your mommy is a bastard. Infinity Baba na Baba. Your mother is a bastard. Your mother is a bastard. I pity your mother because some of all these women, they be like, oh my God, I just gave birth to a child. But you know what? You gave birth to a bastard. Please, you people should call Mama Infinity here because I want to talk to her. Because this stupid blogger has been on my neck for past few months now. I'm not even talking to you. But you know what? Today, I'm going to talk to every blogger who fucking blogs me. You blog me, insulting me, I'm going to talk to you. I'm done with those good girl vibe. I want to tell you guys how crazy I can be. Because I'm done with those good girl vibe, okay? You want to report me to my boyfriend? Go the hell and report me to my boyfriend. He's gonna support me. Dear my man or my mates, because I'm also a mother. No sa gray, whatever is your fucking name. Your mama and my mates. If you know, now see your mama and my mates. So fuck your mama, bitch. Fuck your mama, bitch. Fuck your mama. You can't pain. Now me go dey feed you that for social media. I go dey feed you now. I did video when I take call you at Olodo. You they blog me. Even your tags. See them. I screenshot all your tag. You they blog me. They support Enogie. They blog me. You don't need to call me for video call before I go answer you now. I've been seeing you all. You blog me as a blogger. I will blog your mother. I will blog your mother, okay? You want to make money with my name? I will blog your mother, okay? Your mother, I don't get problem with you. I don't get problem with you, Infinity. Now your bastard mama will born bastard like you. Now I got problem with you. You will say, you don't even know my face. You can't see my face. You get mama, but you don't get mama. I go to feed you now with Wetin I want. Me Perigordin. Return of Perigordin. Part 2. You don't have to be on live video before you insult me. Come for me, I will come for your mama, okay? If I'm talking to Enogie, I am talking to Enogie, so you shut up. You don't talk to me when I'm talking to Enogie, okay? I've got problem with Sophia, I've got problem with Enogie, I've got no motherfucking problem with you. Oh, insult well deserved, you understand? With you all. If you want to blog something and don't take sides. You take side with my enemy, I will blog your motherfucking mama. You understand? I'm not going to talk to you because I will blog your mother. Your mother is a bastard, so I will face your mother. Okay? I will face your mother because your mother is the bastard who gave birth to a bastard. You know what? If your mommy was not fucking up and down, you posted my video calling me a slut. I was fucking up and down. But Infinity, if your mama know they fuck up and down, you know go born bastard like you that became a blogger. Go look for something to do with your life, Infinity. Don't be a blogger on social media blogging rubbish. Infinity, blog this live video because this is your name. I call your name now. Okay, you've been on my neck. Now, I'm going to face you, Infinity blogger. I'll face you. I'll face you. You come for me, I come for your mama. You come for me, I come for your mama. Okay? Get out to your dumb hair fools. You don't fucking blog about me and you're on my live video commenting. And they come, I can't report this video. Now, you fucking go report this video to your fucking bastard mom. Because I have no problem with you little children fighting me on Facebook. I've got problem with your mothers. I've got problem with your mamas. I've got no problem with you people. No problem, fucking problem. I've got problem with your mothers. Yes. So Infinity, now you have something to report to your mother. That bitch that gave birth to you, you have something to report to that bitch, okay? So go report me to your mother. You guys don't know how crazy I can be. Like, you guys don't